fast, reliable connector installations using Klein exclusive pass-through connectors. For CAT6 cables. Consistent and secure TERMITIONS. Cable easily passes through connector to visually ensure wires are in correct order. Meets or exceeds all PO and PO plus requirements for performance. Requires pass-through type crimping tool, VDV826-703 recommended. 8-position, 8-contact pass-through type data plugs for solid or stranded wire. Pack of 50 connectors. Efficient connector installation for voice and data applications. Cable easily passes through connector and trims flush to end face. Comes in a pack of 50. Top reviews from the United States. You get what you pay for. I have been buying inexpensive RJ45 connectors for years. Had a cable in my house that failed. Replaced the connectors on 2 cable with no less than 12 new cheap connectors. Every single one failed the Klein tester. I purchased the Klein connectors and pass-through crimp tool. Replaced the connectors on both failed cables. First time, perfect, both cables. Lesson learned. 3 hours spent troubleshooting, time wasted waiting for new tool and connectors. Much cheaper in the long run to buy the good stuff.